Once your lease has been signed by all parties, log into your 360 account through the Resident tab. Now that you have logged in, you can see and navigate through all your account information. When ready, click on the Payments tab. On this screen, click on Manage Payment. At this point, you can choose to add your bank account through a third-party system or manually add your bank account. In this video, we will use the third-party system by clicking on the Add Payment Account button in the top right of the screen. If you search for your bank and it is not found in the system, you will have to cancel and enter your banking information by clicking on the manual option. If you do not see your bank account on the screen, wait 1 minute and click the Refresh button. Now, click on the Payment tab. Once in the Payment menu, click the Make Payment tab. The screen will show you that you have a zero balance. Select the Extra Payment Amount box and enter the total amount your property manager has provided you. It will include your security deposit and first month's rent. Your account should now show a credit for the total amount due. Once completed, contact your property manager to schedule your move-in appointment.